All right, guys, today what we've got planned is this truck is going to go in for ceramic coating. Now, I've read a lot of stuff on the ceramic coating, done a lot of research on it. Basically it's easier washes, it's very hydrophobic. And this truck needs a pretty good amount of paint correction actually from the factory. It had a bunch of swirls and it's got a couple scratches and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is they're going to actually prep, I guess they I don't know if you call it paint correction, that's more like orange peel. But they buff the clear coat down, get some of those surface scratches out, and they get all the imperfections, the rail dust, all those things off of the paint. And then they apply this, I guess it's called a ceramic coat. And it's very slick. It makes washing it very easy. You can basically just rinse it off. It's repellent to hard water stains. I'm not going to say it completely stops hard water stains from happening, but it does help with that. And a lot of the car washes here in town, we do get the hard water, and it's very hard on black truck unless you just hand dry it every time. And so the ceramic coating actually is a little bit tougher than the clear coat, so it's going to be more resistant to the swirls, which I hand wash my truck. Hand wash it with a spray wand, but I mean, I don't hand wash it with a bucket or anything. But I don't go through the touch washes. I only do touchless washes where I spray it. So for the most part, it's pretty clean. It does have some swirl marks. We'll kind of walk it through here. Sorry about the wind today. It's got some pretty good scuffs right here. It came from the factory around the door. Kind of hard to see today. Sorry about that. It's got some hard water stains back here already. Got some scuff marks. It's got some scuff marks on these ram boxes where they've repaired those. So it just, overall, looking forward to getting the ceramic coat on here. I'm gonna try to video it. Won't get the whole process for you, but kind of pop in on it while they're doing it. Give you a little view of how they're prepping it and what they're doing to it. They actually apply the ceramic coat to the glass also, and so you see like these hard water spots here. That water will shed off a little better, and we're going to go ahead and have them do the wheels while they're at it. So anyway, going to get my stuff out of it. It is about a this size truck. They say it's probably about a 2-day process, and that's because I think they can't really do much with it when it's warm. It's got to be cool to the touch. And then I think there's curing time on it, so you can't do anything with it even when I get it back in 2 days. I'll get all those details after they get it done, and we'll go through it while it's in the shop a little bit. But just want to get a rough video. I'm going to do a little circle around with the drone, kind of get you a little bit better view of it. And hopefully we'll get this thing in the morning, and they'll get started on it, and we'll get y'all some results, and then I'll be able to give you a review on whether I think it's worth it or not, just ceramic coat your truck. All right, guys, so we're at AJ's detailing today. They're doing, I guess, what, prep work on
doing that paint correction.
Prep
for ceramic coating.
You can already tell it's just, the metallic flake is showing a lot better. Just really making that metallic black look real sharp. Got a lot of the scuffs and the scratches out already. You can see that in the light. So these guys are going to be working on it for a good day or two. After you see the finished product, when it gets done, do some water tests on it, and show y'all what it looks like. So, thanks for watching. All right, guys. So got the truck picked up from AJ's detailing today, which is in Victoria, Texas. I got a referral from a friend, and I've been looking at doing ceramic coatings, been thinking about this for a long time, and the benefits of the truck looking cleaner, and it's black, and I don't like the swirl marks and the clear coat. I never run my truck to a car wash, it's always hand wash or pressure wash with a wand, and just trying to always get the dirt off without brushing it or anything like that. This coating just basically makes stuff fall off when you just spray it, and so it keeps it really clean. It's harder than the clear coat. Just lots of benefits to it. So I got a referral from one of the guys here in town that said that check out this detail shop, and I recommend, if you're going to get a ceramic coating done, that's the first thing you do. I went into their shop, and the floors were sealed, This thing was clean. Their tools were clean. The guys were actually working on another vehicle that I got to see a ceramic coating on that they had put on a couple months ago. They were doing a wash for them. And guys, the quality was there. The shop was clean. They had good tools. You know, that's something I'm looking for whenever I'm choosing a shop. You know, if I'd have went in there and been dust everywhere, or just been an open door shop or something like that, I may have reconsidered. But you know, it's a pretty pricey coating, and it's something that, you know, you want to get applied properly. And so that's all I can recommend. If you're going to a shop, you know, check it out. AJ's did me a good job here in Victoria. I'm very, very happy with their work. They actually ceramic coated the whole exterior of the truck, and they did the wheels also, and the glass. So I'm looking forward to seeing, you know, the car washes here in town. They've got hard water, even though they don't change the filters as much as they should, and so their spot-free rinses. You know, I still get hard water stains on the truck. I basically have to hand dry it or get it out on the road and run it pretty good to get the water off. So anyway, just some of the things that I've noticed, and what I want to do is we're gonna get some views. The sun's kind of going down. It's a little bit overcast today, so I hope I can get some good photos and kind of show you what it looks like. And then gonna pour some water on it and show you it's hydrophobic also. And anyway, appreciate you watching. We'll get to it. Okay, so just kind of look the truck over. As you can see, it's very clean. Look down the side of it. I mean, this truck it didn't shine this much when it was new. And then they also applied the coating to the wheels. And they sent a couple videos when they were doing this, and a couple of photos to me. And guys, they were using Q-tips on these Ram logos to polish them. I mean, they just put a lot of attention to detail in the coating, and you can see it's pretty much a mirror image. So I wish the sun was a little better today. I can get a little bit better view for you. Alright, so we're just going to talk about the hydrophobic part of this coat. So this truck is perfectly clean. You can see it's spotless. No spots right here on the hood. I've got a bottle of water here. What we're going to do is pour this bottle of water on this truck right here. Are you seeing this? The water just beads off of the coating. It doesn't attach, and you can see how it's beaded there. Pour some more right here. Right? So that's what we mean by hydrophobic.